now, your Midday Ark-La-Miss news update.
And good Tuesday afternoon. Thanks for tuning in to NBC News Daily. I'm Randy Stone with your Midday Ark-La-Miss update. Now that the big, beautiful bill has been signed into law, concerns are on the rise. Rural hospitals could face the loss of medical care and services. Millions of Americans who have Medicaid face losing their health care coverage. Last month, Massachusetts State Senator Edward Markey released a list of just over 300 hospitals across the nation. They're at risk of reducing medical services, care, or clothing. 6 hospitals in Arcadia are on that list. Jasmine Dean from our sister station in Lafayette takes a deeper look into what this means.
In a release, Massachusetts Senator Ed Markey not only listed rural hospitals that could be impacted from proposed tax cuts, he provided information on combined spending cuts to Medicaid, Medicare, the Affordable Care Act, and the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, totaling over $1.6 trillion. On the list of hospitals at risk, 33 of them are in Louisiana, with 6 across Acadiana. The hospitals listed are located in St. Mary, Acadia, Evangeline, and Iberia Parish. Now, although concerns about changes in funding to Medicaid has resulted in criticism of the bill, there has been support defending the bill's tax break for middle and working class Americans, according to the White House. In a release from Iberia Medical Center, the hospital's CEO Dion Viator says, quote, "As most of the public is aware, this bill continues to evolve and we fully expect additional changes. Our leadership team is closely monitoring developments and engaging with policymakers and healthcare partners to understand the full scope of any proposed changes. We are committed to adapting as needed to continue providing uninterrupted care for our patients." End quote. Viator maintains that the hospital has shown consistent profitability and is fiscally sound, prepared to adapt, and dedicated to caring for its community. News 10 contacted the 5 other hospitals on the list for insight on how the proposed bill could impact patients, medical care, and services, and one spokesperson informed us that although the bill has been signed into law, revisions are being made to about 500 pages, so they do not know what's going to happen. The remaining 4 hospitals, we have not heard back from them as of news time.
Well, staying in health news, researchers say expanding awareness in the access of the USDA's WIC program could boost maternal and infant health in Arkansas. WIC is the special SNAP program for women, infants, and children. It provides free healthy foods, breastfeeding support, and nutritional education to new and expectant mothers. However, in Arkansas, utilization of WIC ranks second lowest in the nation at 35% compared to the national average of 51%. Researchers say that if there is increased education about types of food covered by WIC and more outreach to underserved communities, the state could see improvement in food insecurity and maternal mortality, which are both ranked among the worst in the nation.
And now, exclusive Storm Tracker Doppler weather with meteorologist Chase Ward.
Keeping them real handy for this afternoon, as we are expecting a spark up of more scattered shower thunderstorms, quite similar to how yesterday was. We got a lot of moisture in place, combine that with some daytime heating and some upper level forcing, and it's going to allow for these thunderstorms to continue kind of this typical coastal type of forecast with these thunderstorms mostly in the afternoon and evening hours. Once we hit sunset, a few storms could still linger a little bit, but once we go into tomorrow morning, we'll kind of get a brief break, kind of how like it was last night. Now, as we head into Wednesday afternoon, we'll have a front of boundary approach from the northwest, which will allow for a spark up more activity, but notice models indicating a lot of these storms kind of weakening out once we hit 9-10 o'clock for Wednesday night. We lose that daytime heating, but then the front of boundary could linger and we could still see a spark up of more activity as we head into Thursday. So it's still a little unsettled for the next couple of days. Be mindful, we're expecting a few of these storms to produce some heavy downpours. Some places may get a trace, other spots could get as high as near 2 inches. So kind of keep that in mind, especially on the roadways for the next couple of afternoons and evenings. So tonight we're going to fall to mid-70s with a few lingering storms, and then tomorrow we'll still see more activity as shower thunderstorms continue, but temperatures mostly in the lower 90s thanks to the cloud cover and the rain and thunderstorm activity. But by the end of the week, as rain chances start to drop, temperatures they're going to be on the decline to upper 90s, with heat index possibly pushing near 105 for Saturday through Sunday and continuing through early on next week.
Well, that's our update. NBC News Daily continues now. It's hot out there. Check on your neighbors and pets.